Welcome to the section of Shopify Store Basics. In this section, we will discuss about main basics of Shopify Store. How to start your Shopify Store, how to add your pages, your menus, your products, your design, your theme. Let's begin with lecture 1. With the basics of Shopify, we will discuss all about themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, domain, and the preference. All of these appears to be the main topics of Shopify Store basics. Later we will discuss more about product, how to add the product, how to customize the product, orders, payment methods, advanced setting. Let's begin with the first lecture with the themes. Firstly, we are going to work with themes. Let's click here at the theme. Themes considered the main part of the e-commerce store because of it represents the looking of the e-commerce store for the user or for anybody comes to your online store. To start with the themes, we have to go to customize theme. At the customize theme, here we see a lot of options like the main presets or default presets, colors, typography, header, footer, homepage, slideshow, homepage, featured products, homepage, featured collection, homepage, featured content, product page, collection page, also cart page, social media, and checkouts. So that all of these options at the theme we will deal with. Also, we will customize and manage all of these parts at this lecture of themes. Also, on advanced section, I will teach you how to install a new theme, maybe free or purchase theme. So let's begin with this lecture at the theme, the current theme. Firstly, we are going to the presets. Let's try to see the presets. Here we see the presets red and black. Red and black, this is the sets. We can do that. This is the default color. At this, we can change all of these presets. So at colors, let's go to the colors to show up you all of these default colors at your store. So here we see the background, the default background, which appears to be a white color. Lines and borders, as you see here, lines or borders. Here you see the primary buttons and links. So when we start, okay, this is the link. So this color represents the links. Also, you will see the primary button text with the color. When it comes to the buttons, like this button. So this primary button text, it will be represent with this color. Also here we see the secondary button with the other color. Also here we see the secondary button text. Also here we see the text, default text color, social media. So let's start to change these colors or change default settings with colors. Firstly, I'm going to change the background color. So let's try here. Okay, here we go. So this is the color which I'm going to choose. Okay, here we go. Here we see this color has been changed. Also, we can do another thing with another. Also, we can choose different or multiple colors, as you see here at this part. Okay, let's go to choose this color. It appears to be good to choose. Good color. Okay. Then I'm going to save settings if I want. So here we see save changes. Let's go to the store and make some refresh. Here we go. Here we see the new settings for the color. Here we go. So let's come back to the admin. Also, we can change other color. It depends on your choice. Okay, let's try to change this color for the lines and borders. Okay, I'm going to choose the color to be full black, as you see here. Okay, this is the color for the lines, and also I'm going to save this change. So okay, that's all for this part of colors. Now I will get back again to the settings. Here we see at theme typography. Let's go to choose the typography. At this part we can choose the default settings for text on body, text for header or heading, normal text, paragraph text, or other features for paragraphs on the site, like banner, like links, or different types. So let's go to choose the typography default. So here we see the body text. The body text represents with the font type. Here we can choose or change this settings by choose another font type like ASAP. Also, we can choose the page size to be greater or less, to be maximize or minimize the base color. Also, here we can choose advanced settings for the typography for headings. Here we see the font of the heading like cabin and medium. We can choose another paragraph like ASAP black. Here we go. Okay. As you see, we see this this text for heading changed directly. Also, we can change the color to be 34 if we want to do that. Here we go. Here we see the heading changes with the size. Also, here we see the navigation and button. As the navigation and buttons, we can change the font color, the font type and the size. Let's try to go to the font here. Then I'm going to choose the cabin. Here we go. This type appears to be changed. Okay. Also, we can change the size. Here I'm going to change the size. Here we go. Okay, that's correct, as you see. Finally, if we want to save change, we can push this button with the save or clear changes if you want. So I'm going to choose save changes. Here we go. Then close this button. Okay, that's okay. Good. Now let's come back again to continue with the settings. Let's change the header. Here we see the header. Okay, click here at the header. What we see here? Logo. Use the custom logo. If we want to add a custom logo, here we see the logo will be represents at this site with the size of 450, width and height 200 pixel. Recommended. This default settings are recommended from Shopify. So let's go to choose the file. Okay, I'm going to choose. Okay, let's choose this file to be to represent the logo. Here we go. Let's try. Okay, use a custom logo. If we want to choose a custom logo, by click here. Okay, here we go. That's correct. Here we see this logo, but it's maybe small. Okay, I'm going to replace this image to be with other image. Okay, here we go. Let's try. Be patient to see what will happen.